How to end a song with Reverb in Premiere Pro. Press the keyboard shortcut C to activate the razor tool and go to the part of the song you want the reverb on and click on it to make a cut. I'm also going to make a cut on the part of the song I want to delete. I'm going to press the V key to go back to the selection tool, and I'm going to delete the other part of the song that I don't want. Then right click on the part of the song you want the reverb on, and then click on Nest. The nested sequence name window will appear, and I'm going to rename it Reverb Audio. The nested sequence will appear in the project panel, and double click on it to open it up in the timeline. Now we are going to go back to our original sequence and select the nested audio clip in the timeline, and then press Shift 7 to open the effects panel, and then go to the search bar and type in Studio Reverb. Drag and drop the Studio Reverb effect to the nested audio clip in the timeline. Make sure the nested audio clip is still selected in the timeline, and press Shift 5 to open the Effect Controls window. In the Effect Controls window, go to Studio Reverb and click on the Edit button. The Clip Effect Editor window will appear, and we're going to increase the decay to 100,000. Then go to Output Level and increase the wet parameter to around 79%. And I would adjust the dry parameter to anywhere between 85 to 100. Now we're going to switch over to the nested sequence, and then go to the bottom right corner of the project panel and click on the new item button and select transparent video. The transparent video will appear, and press OK. The transparent video will appear in the project panel, and drag and drop it into the nested sequence, and extend the transparent video to anywhere between 12 to 20 seconds so that the reverb can fully ring out at the end. Then go back to the original sequence and extend the nested audio clip out. And let's play it back. And if you want to fade out the reverb, hover over the corner of the nested audio clip and click on the fade out icon and add the fade to your liking. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.